What's going on, my friends? This is Dustin Stelzer with Electrician U, and today we're going to talk about ripping out receptacles. So ripping out receptacles is really easy. When you're roughing in a house, you're going to be running wire in between boxes, and then you're going to get to the point where you need to do something with all of it to tuck everything in, get the wires prepped and ready to go. Receptacles are like the easiest thing that you could rip out. You really just strip the sheathing off, both conductors, make sure you've got enough wire to work with, not too much that you're going to be folding back in the box. First thing that I do when I rip off the sheathing, I pull it off, and then I fold the hots and neutrals up out of the way. I grab onto both grounds and I start twisting them both together. I make sure that I give probably about 4 or 5 inches outside of the box. So you don't want to twist them together, and like right outside the box, cut one of them, but you're trying to pigtail 2 wires down into 1 wire. In this case, I'm using a green wire nut. These are ground wire nuts. They've got a hole in them that allows 1 conductor to go through, so you have to reduce from 2 down to 1. So once you get that wire nut on, you can start folding it into the back of the box, getting it out of the way so that only the conductor is sticking out of the box. Then you start dealing with the blacks and whites. So I'll try to get all 5 of these conductors to be able to fold in there neatly. So that way when somebody goes to put the device in later on, they're going to come and grab these wires and pull them, and all of them are the same length. And all they got to do is strip them out, bend hooks on them, and put their plugs in. So very easy. I like to make sure when I fold my conductors in that everything accordions in there really neatly. I like to do it at an angle. I don't know why. I do it at a diagonal angle to the left. How you fold the conductors into the box is kind of your signature. It's whatever you like. Some people don't care and they just like cram the wires in there. Some people are really particular. I am particular. I like to have everything kind of going top left to bottom right, so it looks nice and straight, and then when you look all the way across the room, you see every single one of them is stacked that exact same way. Lets people know, like, oh, Dustin was in here. He's the one that ripped all these out. If there's any fuck ups, come talk to him. But I don't like to just cram stuff in there and then have to deal with, pulling everything out and straightening out wires. I want somebody to be able to get down, pull the wires out, strip, put a plug in, boom, and it's done. Everything's clean and neat, folded in there perfectly. So just make sure that you do it however you do it, and do it the same every time. Get it used to having it your way, and think about what you're doing and why you do it that way. And if you see somebody else doing something better, grab what they're doing and do it their way if you like it better. Anyways, that's all I got. Ripping out receptacles, pretty easy. Love you crazy people. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.